Smelling like Dolce & Gabbana. Damn, I could probably hit your baby mama. Scared, blowing on a pound of marijuana.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, and if you didn't subscribe, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any videos, because I'm going to try to upload every week, like once a week. So I'm gonna try to do that, okay? I'm trying. But anyway, today I'm gonna do a hairstyle video. It's gonna be a hairstyle I never did before, so we're gonna see if it's gonna work out or not. So yeah, this is what we're starting with. I tried a hairstyle earlier, but like the swoop hairstyle, but it didn't work out. So yeah, we just gonna do a new hairstyle. So this is the look, you know. I think it's cute, simple, cute. I like the little rubber band style, you know. So I think I will wear this in the summer with like a off the shoulder top. I think this is cute. So basically this is gonna be the end of this video. If you like this video, you already know, comment, like, and subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe so you can be part of my channel, you know, because I'm gonna start I'm gonna try to be more consistent. There we go. So yeah, if you don't want to miss any videos of mine, go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified when I post and you won't miss any more videos. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. That's period scene.